May profits be upon you. I just wanted to give you a quick update to the U.S. oil's uh, situation going on. Now, if you remember in my last video, I spoke about how price had reached this order block here. All right, it was down about here, and I was looking to look for bearish price action. I said if it goes past this point, then I wouldn't be looking for the trade anymore. And I also pointed out that there was a line of liquidity points. Let me see. Let me get there you go. Here, here. At the top of these wicks, there's always stop losses and pending orders for breakout traders, all right, who want to go long, right? And those who took shorts, they have stop losses around these points. And I thought there was a chance that I was hoping that price would give us the bearish price action and just shoot on down from here. What was that? Shoot on down from here, right? I thought that was the most probable because there was a pretty strong order block here, but uh, there was a chance that it would go up for the liquidity. It did take out said liquidity here and this one. That's why I have the X here. All right. There's still this one up here, but price has accomplished what it wanted to do. And let's see, we also have a double top, right? And I think, you know, with this order block being violated, we see that it has come to test the bullish, the bearish supply here of the head of uh, this transition, this uh, price reversal. It came up to test this head, the order block by the head, and that's all I look for. That's what I had described in my last video. I talked about the quasi and the head and shoulders, and all I'm looking for are these points so I can catch the uh, the the entry for the trade right here for a short. I look for this on every time frame. Doesn't matter what time frame it is, but anyway, that is what prices accomplish. Now you see how it fell from here, making a bearish engulfer at supply. This is what I want to see. So when price comes up here, it's testing this candle's what I call the base candle of this bearish engulfer pattern. This is the base candle of a budding order block, and I'm hoping that price comes up, retests. It's already tested once, and here comes the second mitigation. I'm hoping that it falls from there because that's what order blocks do. You can see that happening here. All right, this one pulled up, but it didn't. It only pulled up to the other side, the wick on the other side, which is an imbalance, and price rebalanced the imbalance. This is an inefficient price move. I went into that in my last video. Check it out if you will. But I'm hoping that's exactly how this plays out. We come up for another test, maybe a third, and then price falls. All right. If it breaks this high, this trade is invalid. It has already grabbed the liquidity from up here. All right. So I'm looking for price to make the intended move now. We've grabbed plenty of liquidity for that move, and I'm hoping it goes significantly lower from this point. Okay, so let's see how it goes. And I hope you appreciate the update. Make sure you give me a like if you do appreciate it. And make sure you drop me a comment. Give me some feedback. If you're following this trade, let me know how it's going for you or if you see it differently. I'd like to hear your opinion on it. All right. Be safe. I'll see you in the next video.